The following video shows what happens when an idiot has a camera. Viewer discretion is advised. J.J. Abrams and Ryan Johnson were not involved in the making of this video. Any anger or dissatisfaction felt is purely coincidental.
I especially became interested in this car because of the adaptive cruise control. But since I installed it, I don't really use it. And that's because it doesn't function the way a human would control the car. What do I mean by that? Let's go for a ride. And we've just arrived here in this muddy area. This is about as off-road as I go with the car. Like most people, I didn't buy the car because I planned to go off-road with it all the time. I bought the car because it looks good and it's capable. And now we're gonna hear all the mud fall off the tires. Maybe I shouldn't go so fast. I should have gone into that puddle of water and washed my wheels, my tires a little bit. In any case, adaptive cruise control. I will now demonstrate it. Let's speed up, catch up to this guy, and resume. And I'm setting the speed as fast as I've set the speed to 110. Obviously, we're not going 110, we're going 70. Because the car is maintaining the distance, and as he speeds up, so do we. And it's great. This is the way it should be. We should be doing exactly this. However, I can't demonstrate this here actually. I need to go on the highway to demonstrate the flaw. Here we go. He's slowing down, and I'm not pressing the brake. I'm doing exactly what he's doing. And he's gonna leave from in front of me. And you see, I'm not pressing the brake. He did that. The car is doing that. Because the car doesn't have any common sense. It doesn't. It just detects an object. It doesn't understand what that object is doing. And it is. Look, I'm accelerating to 110 now, which I'm obviously going to cancel adaptive cruise control. Alright, let's resume here. And now we've pressed the brakes. Okay. The way the car responds is so extreme and so unhuman-like. As soon as you see somebody leaving your lane, as soon as you see an obstacle clearing in front of you, you'll resume normal speed, because you know that by the time you get to where he is, he's already out of your lane. Whereas the car will wait for the obstacle to completely clear, like 100%, and then it will accelerate again. I'm not pressing the brake, by the way. The car is now doing everything. Still going in. We're still asking the car to go to 110. Another way it gets confused is on curves. Again, I'm not pressing the brake. The car is doing everything. I'm just letting the car set the speed. On curves, especially on the highway, when there are trucks or long vehicles like buses in front of you, the car, if you're on the right let's say this is a 4-lane highway and you're on the right lane and the bus is on the left lane and it starts to curve in front of you, it will detect that as an obstacle and it will apply the brakes, and it will apply the brakes strongly. So it does that all the time, and I've lost confidence in the adaptive cruise control. It will recover, it will accelerate again and all that, but it makes the people around you think that you're a bad driver, that you're stupid. And I know we don't drive, let's see, it should come to a complete stopper now. That's what it's supposed to do. I'm ready to press the stop. It has stopped completely. Maintaining an interesting distance. And now it doesn't go, but I'm gonna press the accelerator in this case. Cruise override. Because it's waiting too long to accelerate. So yeah, the way it reacts to things is fine. It's fine. It's keeping you safe, but it's making you look like an idiot. And I'm already an idiot. I don't need the car to make me look more like an idiot than I already look. So I'm disappointed with the adaptive cruise control. I've not driven another car with adaptive cruise control. I don't know if it's the logic or the software that Land Rover have developed, or Land Rover Jaguar Land Rover have developed. It's possible that if I took a Mercedes or an Audi for a test drive, I could find that the experience is different, or maybe the later cars, this is 2014, maybe they've become more intuitive in the way they handle obstacles. But I have to say, if automated cars drive the way this one does, they don't drive like humans do, and they're only going to frustrate you in normal situations. They might be okay on the highway in straight lines, but not really in the real world.
No idiots were harmed during the making of this video.